This is a POV demonstration of fixing a clog using an electric drain auger. Watch carefully how the tool is used correctly. The key step is to gently pull and release the spring cable as it spins. This motion helps the auger move forward smoothly, especially when it reaches pipe corners and bends. Do not force it. Let the rotation and controlled pulling guide the auger through the pipeline. If possible, work from both the inlet and the outlet sides. Approaching the blockage from two directions makes it easier to break down and remove the clog completely. This method helps clear the problem more efficiently and reduces repeat blockages. If your premises often face clog issues, whether it is a restaurant, Airbnb, residential home, or factory toilet, having the right tool makes all the difference. Search electric drain auger on hatakayahardware.com.